Open the TikTok app and go to your profile. In the top right corner, tap the three-line menu, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll to the Account section and tap Balance. This page shows your earnings and payment details. From here, tap Others, then select Income Plus. TikTok will send you a verification code. Enter the code to access your payout settings. Once you're inside the Income Plus dashboard, tap Withdrawal Method. This section shows the payment method currently connected to your account. If you already have a PayPal account linked and want to switch it, tap on it and select Delete. After removing it, you'll be able to add a different PayPal account or choose another payout option. Tap Add Payment Method and select the option available in your region. Depending on your country, you may see PayPal or bank transfer. If you choose bank transfer, simply enter your banking details and review them carefully to avoid any payout issues. At the bottom of the page, you'll see an option to set the account as your primary payout method. Turn this on if you want TikTok to send your earnings to that account by default. Once everything looks correct, tap Submit. Your payout method will update instantly, and your future TikTok earnings will be sent to the new account. And that's it. Your TikTok payout method is now updated. If this quick guide helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.